if the spotter or Yaley knew. You could hear he started to lift, but you hear it on board with Austin Dillon. He even downshifted trying to get that car. One of the cars loses control. I think that was Mark Truex Jr.
It's Kevin Harvick.
You're right, Brian. See you coming back up across the track. I can't see a damn thing with the dirt. That'll do it.
Gonna ride with Denny Hamlin.
We've just seen over the last couple of years with these flare 3-4 wide here. Eric Jones comes up, squeezes William Byron into the 12 of Ryan Blaney.
Tight, bumper to bumper.
Ooh, that's heavy
Hang
contact.
on to it. Hang.
So you can, yeah, see right there, Denny's car just doesn't turn, and Brad Keselowski turns down. Ryan Blaney nowhere to go. Now they were. That's Cole Custer.
And caution's out. Caution's out.
Yeah, he tried to lift. Almirola right on his rear bumper going into turn 1. That's also an area where the track's really flat.
Where you go? Still middle. Keep digging. Keep digging.
Oh, nice job navigating through that, listening to his spotter. You saw that hole just completely close up. Denny goes by. Watch the back end step out on that 24 car right there. Big moment. He tries to correct it and just runs out of room.
There.
We might have had a little bit of help there.
Inside,
Not
middle,
sure.
stay middle. There you go, clear.
Area, it was in trouble, but this still looks fine.
Kyle Busch just barely making it through there as we rode on board with Brad Keselowski. So you know when you're going through the corners this fast, this is from the 12 of Blaney's car.
That's a hard hit.
Yes.
From Austin Dillon's view.
Looks like he was already slowed down. He knew he had an issue trying to get off track, and the car bottom. He was going to go by him on the outside.
Riding with Kevin Harvick.
Front eight, easy. Go low, 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 low.
You can see the 47 checks up a tiny bit right there before Jimmy Johnson makes contact with him. Be right on the paint. Oh yeah, he just gets up about not even a full half car length. And
Sure hope not.
I mean, I wouldn't say it was intentional. I think McDowell. Boom, you saw that very last little bit of contact, and that's what sent Chase Elliott around as he tried to go to the inside of the 22.
And here's audio from Brad Keselowski.
In that middle lane, riding along, everything seemed to be going well.
Three middle.
Oh. Well, I don't know. The car just got loose. It didn't look like he had any
Hold on.
contact from behind. Maybe a tire went down, but that car just turned around on him. Oof. Just so close there.
right here on exit. Stay low. Got one in the fence. Just stay low. Very bottom against the wall. Okay, you're good. He's rolling right there in front of you.
Oh, looks like the 12 gets loose. Hard to tell if anybody was in his left rear quarter panel. Another look, you know, this will be helpful. There you see Blaney.
Oh, yeah.
Tried to sit down into the corner. I think
he just got loose, right?
Yeah.
Carried some speed in there, got loose.
Oh, Matthew tries to get down in the inside. Austin, and they both end up in the fence.
So quick, because it happens fast. Yeah, it's just so hard to anticipate that move that Brad Keselowski made right there. So here's the initial contact. Once you make that contact, Mike, you better make it significant enough to get free of that car, or there's a chance something like that's going to happen. They're going to pay back.
On me in the corner, because I'm there.
And it might have very well been just that. Could have been that Kurt Busch was
Outside fence. Outside.
Or just a slow.
Outside and inside.
Just a slow, steady spin where the back tires just didn't want to grip.
Kevin Harvick.
Easy, go low, go low. Hold your line here, inside, 3 wide top, tight, 3 wide top. Keep digging, keep digging, keep digging, keep digging, keep digging. You're clear, yellow's out.
Middle begin, top is clear. Stay middle here, stay middle of the 18.
Yeah, Kurt was trying to stay out of the quarter panel. He was trying not to hit the 10 car. Great shot here.
Outside, hang on to it, lock it down, lock it down, lock it down, lock it down.
A little too hot.
We're in the fence, right side damage.
Back of that car was kind of hopping a little bit. Let's watch on board. Show you the camera. For Denny Hamlin. Then he drives it down in there. He's loose.
Clear low behind the truck, you need it. Middle, clear.
Oof.
Hang on to it, hang on to it.
That's a helpless feeling when you're on the inside of somebody and you're spinning out.
Get it fired up.
This is the 10th caution of the day as we ride along with Denny.
Back in here. Hang on to it. Hang on to it. Still green, or still green. Caution, caution. Clear, clear, clear. Inside, inside. Inside.
Riding along with Harvick. Yeah, you see the sparks when the car goes down to the ground. To your point, Jeff, you know, is it tight because it had a slow...
Bottom of 3, get off right here. Keep marching, 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 marching. Come on, come on. Keep coming, keep coming. All right, get on down.
That's tough.
He's got the momentum. Clear
That's tough because it's your teammate.
Three back now, right in front of you, right in front of you. Go low, 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 low.
Racing hard.
Yellow's up.
Well, the driver's on board with Clint Boyer right here. We see the accident up ahead. Well, Boyer, oh, man, he thinks he's fine. And here comes Alex Bowman into the picture. Pretty significant damage to both cars, the right side of the 88, the left side of the 14. So he's not going to be happy about that. Just ride along with Kevin.
Left side, left side. Left side tight. Keep digging. Still left side.
Man, that's so
I got the spot
frustrating.
here.
Look at Kevin looking.
Just hold her down, hold her down. You're going to jump back up.
That's so frustrating when you don't have a chance at saving it. You have no chance at saving it. You know you're
The 4 of Kevin Harvick.
it looks like he dropped the right rear tire off the edge of the racetrack. Trying to get a good high
Got a couple
entry
more
into the
coming.
corner. 6 gets into the corner, braking, and locks up the rear tires, spins himself out.
Right at the bottom.
Now watch his eyes. Shut his eyes right before he hits the wall. Yeah, it's on top of Jimmy Johnson's car.
90 on fuel, 94 to go right now. You have to come. I mean, we have seen Dover be a few mileage race.
Still there? Quarter, still down there.
Wow. So it's like the car came out of gear. Like it was free rolling and then back into gear and locked up the rear.
Come on up, outside, clear.
Kind of eliminated.
32 also
24
was,
by himself.
he was the one who got
Away
involved
from him.
trying to
Cover tight,
avoid.
front end, 10 coming with a push out back, 8% in your mirrors, inside.
Riding on the Coca-Cola can, Bubba Wallace.
Corner 47. Clear down if you want
He
it.
gets into the back of the car in front of him.
Easy. Stop. Up. Get up.
Martin Truex Jr. Oh. Happens that quickly. Just
Bottom 3, there's only 3 or 4 up top. Down. Keep coming. Down. Keep coming down.
it's a great view right here. Watch what happens.
Right, middle, there you go.
It's immediately sends him. Seen that all day long. Just people trying to push the guy in front of them, and it's not.
What you want right here? Top line's gonna roll here. Top line's gonna roll. 22 in the middle, stalled out. There you go. Somebody stay. Keep coming. There you go by the line, White.
Here, it won't roll.
Let's watch right here. Kyle clips the right rear quarter panel, turns it into the outside wall.
Keep coming. How good?
M&M's number 18 car down in the corner pushing his teammate. Little damage to the nose. I think he's going to be okay though.
Better him on the bottom, but he is getting run clear up. He'll probably come inside here. Here he comes. He got a hell of a run. Easy now.
You know how much he was out of the
Easy,
gas?
Easy. Hold your line.
Bubba Wallace, DoorDash camera.
Coming hard on the bottom. Down. Son of a bitch.
No, I mean, nothing he could do, right? I mean, Jeff, that's
Yeah,
just,
there's nothing
you know.
Sometimes,
You know, talk about flashing in front of you right here. We're going to see the wiggle. I want to see how hard he hit. I tell you, Jeff, that's not a slight bit of contact. I think the 11 is fine. It's maybe top of a 3 wide.
yeah, top of 3 wide. Looked like some contact right there. I can't make out who that car is.
because of a bad ninth inning. That's exactly what has happened with the 14. What he tried to do there, and he said it, he apologized to the 18 of Kyle Busch. I tried to get that 1 point.